To fix an error code F10 on a Kenmore oven, it is essential to understand what this code signifies. The error code F10 indicates that the oven is overheating, which can be caused by a faulty temperature sensor or a damaged control board. To resolve this issue, start by restarting the oven. Press the off or cancel button to clear the code. Then, unplug the oven from the power supply and ensure the surrounding area is clear of clutter, as obstructed air circulation can contribute to overheating. Allow the oven to remain unplugged for at least 2 minutes, which should be sufficient time for it to reset if the code was triggered in error. After this period, plug the oven back in and turn it on to see if the code still appears. If it does, troubleshooting the temperature sensor and control board is necessary. Begin by unplugging the oven and removing the door and rack to access the temperature sensor. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the sensor. Gently pull it out and disconnect it from the wire harness. Utilize a multimeter to test the sensor's resistance. If it significantly differs from 1080 ohms, the sensor is faulty and needs replacement. However, if the resistance is 1080 ohms, the issue lies with the control board, and it is recommended to seek the assistance of a professional for further guidance.